Hello, my name is Muhammad Afizal Zurroh. I want to tell you about my argumentative text under the title Good Material for Plane. Do you know about the material used to make the plane? There are two materials used in making plane, namely carbon fiber and aluminum. Carbon fiber has better properties than aluminum but is expensive. On the other hand, aluminum has lower properties than carbon fiber, however is cheaper and is faster to produce. With this in mind, engineers argue about which material is better between aluminum and carbon fiber for airplanes, as this material has both advantage and disadvantage. In my opinion, engineers are supposed to choose carbon fiber as material for making the plane, as this material is lighter and can spare fuel. Also, carbon fiber is more durable. To begin with, carbon fiber is lighter and can spare fuel. Carbon fiber is known to have the advantage of being very light and tough compared to the other material with the same durability specification. This advantage is the main reason for using carbon fiber as the main material for aircraft, so that it gets a lighter weight and leads to the use of more efficient fuel. If aligned with the aluminum, the component with carbon fiber material will have a weight 20% lighter than the same component with aluminum material. So, lowering the weight of the plane will reduce fuel use. Besides reducing plane weight and fuel use, carbon fiber is additionally more durable. Carbon fiber has better corrosion resistance or metal damage due to redox reaction between a metal and various substances in its environment which produce unwanted compound. Carbon fiber is also more resistant to ultraviolet radiation and weather change. When both tested for resistance by cooling, heating, and corrosion, aluminum shows faster deterioration than carbon fiber. Based on the data above, carbon fiber is better than aluminum regarding strength and durability. Many engineers may argue that using carbon fiber in airplane is very expensive. In fact, engineers can make plane lighter weight and lead to the use of more efficient fuel. As a result, if used in the long term, it will be more profitable because it can save fuel and it's more durable than aluminum. High production costs can be overcome in the long run, or even produce more benefits since carbon fiber is more durable than aluminum and uses less fuel. In conclusion, making airplane out of carbon fiber gives engineers a number of advantages that outweigh the disadvantages in the long run. Although it is more advantageous, it is more profitable for the airline companies and passengers because it is more durable and stronger.